Hi friends, it's Sharon from Mad Paper Crush. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today to do a flip through of this journal that I created as part of a guest design team project for Tonya at Let's Design Creative. So I've used some of her beautiful digital papers in here. I used the In My Dreams, which is kind of a pink steampunk theme. It's beautiful. It has feathers and clocks and gears, and it's just really lovely. And then also I used her Elegance kit, which is a bunch of different wallpapers that are floral and also very beautiful. And I thought the two went together nicely. And I imagine this might be the journal of a young lady who is interested in science and travel and doing all sorts of things that maybe wouldn't be quite appropriate for a girl back in the late 1800s, early 1900s. So this is the journal that I created. I'm going to do a flip through mostly to music, but I just wanted to tell you a couple things about it before I do that. So the journal size is about 6 inches wide by about 9 inches tall. And it has 5 signatures, and in each signature there is about 10 pages, so 10 pages folded in half. So that gives you front and back about 100 pages or so of things to journal on inside of this journal. And for the closure, I used a snippet roll that I had created. I actually did a video of it, so I'll link that down below if you're interested. But I thought it looked adorable with this, all the different fabrics and things that I used in this. So I'm going to take this little cute little bulldog clip off there, and you can see when you take the snippet roll off, we have the front of the journal. So I'm going to leave this right there. We have the front of the journal, which has several different pockets on it. I have some little metal embellishments on here, a little metal flower there, and another paper flower down here. And the spine is made up of a bunch of different scrap fabrics and ribbons and sari ribbon and seam binding and all sorts of things. But I love the texture that this gives to the spine and makes it just lots of fun there. So on the front, it has several different pockets. So I have some different little cards in here, women with cute little hats. And I have another note card right in here, and it says, "I will raise my voice." And when I think about this young lady who might have this journal, that's what I think of her thinking about herself, is she's not going to be quiet. She's not going to sit in the background. She's going to do what she wants to do and have fun doing it. And then there's also a little side pocket here on the cover. And since she likes travel, I figured I would put a picture of the Eiffel Tower in here for her. And so that is the front cover. So the rest I'll do just to music. And I will come in if there's any interesting parts that I want to show you. So let's go ahead and get going. All right, and I'm already cutting in because I wanted to show you the cute pocket that I did on the front cover of the journal. So this is part of Tonya's In My Dreams kit here, and also these papers here are from her kit as well. And so I put a little figure 8 clasp on here, but this is actually, so it's a pocket. So I put a couple little note cards in here, but I also made it a flip. So it flips down, and then there's another pocket right here that I've put a little piece of ephemera in right in there. So I thought that was really fun, and I wanted to show you that because it might be hard to see as I'm going through. So you can just tie it back up there, and then we're good for the rest of the journal. Okay, I'm cutting in again because I wanted to show you another little feature of the journal here. So I have this little tie that you can untie on this page, and there's actually two little flips with pockets. So these have little side pockets here where I have some ephemera put right into there. And then these flip up, so you could add a little secret journaling page to there, or you could actually write on the backs of these as well. And then you just tie it up. If I can do that here. And it holds everything all together. There we go. All right, let's keep going. And there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this journal flip through. It will be going up into my Etsy shop, If you would like to take a look, I will put the link down below in the description so that you can head over to my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, friends, for stopping by today. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.